Haulage system is an transportation management system that optimizes the usage of any vehicle in port, scheduling transport assets for internal logistics, and an application for documentation purposes. This application is namely for Freezone staff in jplogistics and any related jplogistics personnel. There are few advantages on jplogistics internal haulage system. Firstly, it's easy to install, which is the application can be installed in any computer or run on a web browser as long as it's used for work purposes. Secondly, it is web-based application, which is meaning it can run in any program that is accessed over a network connection and can run inside a web browser. Finally, it is platform independent. Well, in the term that describe the application can be implementing on one device and use them on another device without any changes.
Registration. You must have a valid Freezone user account to access the Freezone application. To request an account, click on the Request and Invite button on the home page of the application directory. Fill out and submit the Freezone account request form. As a side note, all the text boxes marked with the symbol are compulsory text box. You will be not able to access the Freezone until you have a valid account. Logging in. The application directory can be reached by two different addresses. A. The public domain address. B. The public IP address. To log on the application, type the following address in your web browser and press enter. On the home page of the application directory, you can see the login section. First, enter your staff ID and password and click login. If you enter a valid staff ID and password, you will be taken to the welcome page. If you enter invalid information, you will be shown the invalid user page. If you resist the page, use the back button to return to the login page or wait for the autodirect to redirect you back to the login page and attempt to enter your information again. If you continue to have problems logging, please consult Emran Osman and Kairi Juri at their email address. You may also receive the page if your section has timeout. If this occurs, click the back button to log in again and restart your session. If you forget your staff ID or password, you can do as follow. A. If your current email address is listed in our system, you can use our automated retrieval system to obtain your staff ID and password. Or you can call 07253 5888. Refers to this session or familiarize yourself with the Freezone interface, how to log in and how to log out from the system. At the top of dashboard area is a menu bar. The icon shown in the area assists the user by performing specific functions. First, Home, Setting, Billing and Report. Navigation. Accessing the various areas of the Freezone application is accomplished via the navigation bar on the left-hand portion of the browser. Depending upon your account, permission and other Freezone options, some of the links may not be available. First icon in the dashboard is New Order. Click to register a new order and add new containers. Second, Order List. Third, Delivery. Fourth, Collection. 5. Finished. 6th, Billing. And the icon in administration are Container Supply, Destination List, Operator List, Prime Movers, Shipping Agency, Trailer List, Forwarding List, and Rate List. Logging off. When you have finished using the application, be sure to log off. Click Goodbye on the menu bar. A confirmation message will display. For maximum security, close your browser. Side note, you are automatically logged off.
Next, posting a new order. When you click on a new order link from the navigation bar, you will be redirected to the new order screen. Number 1. Submission no. Cannot be left blank. User need to choose either FZ or JPLW. If left blank, an alert will appear on user screen. See Figure 7 alert. Number 2. When user click on the planning date text box, a date picker will appear. See Figure 8 date picker. Number 3. The import and export radio button when clicked to toggle the closing time and the demo rate charges text boxes. When user finish filling all required text box, they can click on the Save button to continue to the next step. After user clicks Save, they will be redirected to the pending order list screen. Now, user can either 1. Add container. Click to the Start adding new container to the order list. Number 2. Remove order. Click to delete order from database. Number 3. Containers. You can see the number of containers. Next is add containers. As you can see from the figure above, the destination from text box and the destination to text box are compulsory. The additional checkboxes are optional. These choices will determine that other extra charges applied to the container. When user finish filling in all the fields above, they can click on the Add Container button to continue to step 4. The figure above will list all the container added and user can add, edit, or remove those containers by number 1. Add container. Click to add new container. See Figure 11. Number 2. Edit container. Click to edit existing container. Number 3. Delete container. Click to delete container from database. This feature is only available for users with administrative privileges. Normal users can't delete existing containers. Next, delivery operations. On the left side of the browser, click on the delivery link on the accordion menu. After clicking it, you will be redirected to the pending delivery list screen. See Figure 14 below. On the pending delivery list above, you can see the pending status circled in red and 2 icons on the right are. Number 1. Update icon. Click to update the delivery status. Number 2. Delete icon. Click to delete from database. Clicking on the update icon will redirect you to the next step. See Figure 15. Next, collection operations. From the figure above, user can fill in all the necessary field and click on the update button. After update, user needs to click the collection link on the accordion menu to go to the collection status list. You can see the container status circle above, which automatically change each time user update the container. From this screen, user can continue to the next step by clicking the update icon on the right hand side of the screen. When clicked, user will be redirected to the final step of the process. The final step of the process. Number 1. The container number text box is compulsory. If left blank, an error will appear. See Figure 20 below. Number 2. You will notice when you choose off dock. From the container destination select box, the collection operator, collection PM, and collection TR are disabled and a true on dock checkbox will appear. Number 3. The last destination select box is compulsory. Also, when you choose off dock, a temporary stay at on dock checkbox will appear. If you take the select box and click the update button, you will be redirected to the repo screen. See Figure 19 below. Number 4. When you click on the submission no list on the repo screen, the repo model window will appear. See Figure 20 below. Notes. Number 1. The repo screen only appears when you choose off dock as your last destination. Number 2. Once you click on the update or submit button,
The billing advice will list all charges for each container. The rate and amount text box will be automatically filled by the system but user can change them. First, debtor code. Select the debtor code and the address of the forwarding agency will be added to the address text box. Second, job implementation date. Click to choose date from the picker. Third, add new system. Click to add new item box to bill advice so that users can add other charges. Next, calculate. User can click calculate automatically calculate the total amount. And last, confirm. Click confirm if they satisfied with the billing advice. To post the item above to IFS is simple. All you have to do is click the checkbox above and click the Post to IFS button. Once you click the Post to IFS buttons, the item will be disappeared from the list above and now can be found. The report screen above can be found on the dashboard. Users can click the date text box and a date picker will appear. Choose the date and click the search button and users will be redirected to the posting summary screen below.